Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Typeform for AI lead follow-up automations, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Typeform for AI lead follow-up automations, start by navigating to the Typeform website. Once on the home page, locate the Sign Up button, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, click on the Get Started button. Check your inbox for a verification email from Typeform. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the Typeform site for further steps. Next, create a secure password to protect your account. Confirm your password by entering it again in the given field. After setting your password, complete any additional required fields, such as your name and company details. Once all fields are filled, click on the Create Account button. You may be asked to choose your plan type, so review your options carefully. If you're just starting, you can select the free plan for basic features. After selecting your plan, proceed by clicking on the Choose Plan button. You will then enter the Typeform dashboard where you can start building forms. To set up AI lead follow-up automations, locate the Connect or Integrations section. Explore the available integrations and choose the AI tools you want to connect. Follow the prompts to link your AI tools with your Typeform account. Once connected, create a lead capture form using the template options available. Customize the form to fit your brand and the information you need from leads. Save your form and make sure it is set to active. To automate follow-ups, return to the dashboard and select Automations. Test your automations to ensure they function as intended. Once tested, you can publish your form and start collecting leads. Finally, monitor your leads and automate communications efficiently. With these steps complete, you're ready to use Typeform for AI lead follow-up automations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.